Let's fill out the Tennessee Dirt Bike Bill of Sale together and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the dirt bike and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale, then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyer's, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the dirt bike, the make and model, the year, and the color. Then the VIN. Type the VIN exactly as it appears on the title or the dirt bike. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Then the odometer reading. Write the exact number, not a rounded guess. Now the purchase date and the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. Today, we're going to walk through what you'll need for a dirt bike bill of sale in this state. First, let's talk about the title. You will need a valid certificate of title, and it must be properly assigned, so make sure that part is filled out completely before you hand anything over. Next up is the odometer. This state requires an odometer disclosure statement, so you'll want to document the mileage on the bike at the time of the sale. Now, for the seller, you will need to provide proof of identification as well as proof of residency. So have those documents ready to go before you sit down to complete the paperwork. That covers the key requirements for this state. Keep everything organized, double-check your documents, and the process should go smoothly. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.